now.
Yo, D.
Hey, fix it.
TPOD.
You're not even in the shot.
TPOD.
Move it down.
TPOD.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that reflection. I hate it. TPOD.
Stay in your spot, please. Please stay in your designated spot.
There.
Oh, my son. Come over here. No, it's too close. I'm gonna fall behind.
Hey.
Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to this second episode of Doing That Stuff with Lipstick and Roses and the Purpose of DC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. TPOD, the first base of DC.
So welcome back to the second episode of Doing That Stuff. Anyway, for this episode of Doing That Stuff, we are doing mother effing bubble masks.
God help me.
I think it'll be fun. I never had one of these before. It'd be like a nice gentle cloud on your face.
I want to float away.
Well, we're also doing something else in this episode. David, what the hell are we doing?
We're doing the spelling bee challenge.
Okay.
Do you ever look at your feet and wonder where the hell did those come from?
Let's get starting. One for you. One for me. Can you like
Booby pin?
Bobby? There's a bee.
There's a bee?
Okay. No, put him down. Put him down.
What do you want?
Bobby pins. No. Not an empty star piece. No, not Fantasy by Britney Spears. I look like George Washington.
What Halloween store did you get that at?
Fuck off. Anyway, we should get started on these fuzzy cloud masks. So I hope. Oh,
Mine's
it's all
soapy.
soapy. So I hope.
Ew.
Ew. It looks.
Country boy, I love you.
Oh, my glasses are stuck. It smells like a weed. Why does it smell like a weed?
Which side is it up? Can't open it. Can't open it. I feel like a. We're not gonna go
D?
there. No.
I wonder whose dick feels like these.
No one's.
I hope not.
Hope not.
Road work ahead.
I sure hope it does. Smells like someone's ass.
There was a bubble in mine.
What?
In the eye. Alright.
Where did you even put it? I'm breathing it in. Help!
Why does it burn? It makes me. I feel like Squidward. I'm Squidward. Squidward. Do you
That's
need my mirror?
right. This is correct, right?
Oh, man. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh.
I don't think I can get this on.
I
I'm
look like a
sexy.
bear.
I have the suds. It's melting off. It's everywhere.
It's getting on my mouth.
I'm having problems. This is a terrible idea. It's in my mouth. It's in my mouth. What happened? Oh no.
It just keeps getting worse. It just keeps getting into my mouth. My glasses keep fucking up. I can't see anything. It's all everywhere.
There's soap in my everything. Hi. I swallowed it.
It's all in your hair. It's all.
I don't even care anymore. Okay,
I feel like I look like somebody.
a total me go back.
That could be true. David, are we even getting to the spelling bee?
Yes, we are right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I get a whole yawn?
Can I get a whole yawn?
I'm just sticky. You would think this would make me feel clean, but it doesn't.
Okay.
You can hear the bubbles.
Sit your ass back.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I thought it would be fun for us to do fun. We're in for the fun. This is not fun, but we're in for the fun. Anyway, so we're gonna do like a little spelling bee challenge thing that's going on. So we each get 3 tries to spell it. Are you ready?
Wait.
Okay. Your first word is playwright.
Playwright.
You got it.
Yay.
That was an easy one. I went easy on that. I can't really talk with this. Hard.
Now, Beach, your word is millennium.
Who?
Millennium.
It's in my eyebrows. They used to make my eyebrows look all fleek.
Probably not, but I can't tell because I can't see anything. David, you just made it worse.
What's my word?
Millennium.
M-A-L...
Wrong. Try again.
Bitch! M-I-L-L-I-U-M. Yum.
Wrong. Try again.
This is too hard.
Go ahead.
M-A-D-O-N-N-A-A. Is that right?
No.
Oh no.
Spell it!
What?
Millennium.
M-I-L-L-U...
No. You spell it like M-I-L-L-E-N-N-I-U-M.
I bet you didn't even know how to spell that.
Probably not.
Deductible.
D-U-C-T-I-B-L-E.
You is a hoe. I swear to God you look.
No, I didn't.
You got it right.
Spell there.
T-H-E-R-E.
Actually, let me use it in a sentence.
Use it in a sentence.
They're going to the store.
T-H-E-I-R.
No.
T-H-E-R-E.
No.
T-H. Wasn't that the only 2 ways?
The apostrophe!
Bitch.
The apostrophe! There. They fucking are.
Oh.
The last time I was this sticky, I watched Hemlock Grove.
Who's that? Spell.
Eat my ass, eat my ass, eat my ass, eat my ass, eat my ass.
Spell astronomy.
S. A.
Oh wait, no, astrology.
A-S-T-R-O-L-O-G-Y.
That is correct.
Nice.
Don't touch me.
Next one. You just clean my face.
Caribbean.
C-A.
I-C-U-P.
No. R-I-B-B-E.
It's a bean!
Did I get it right?
Yes.
Yay.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna take these off
I
now.
look like I have a smiley face.
I can't even see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Too dirty to clean my act up. Look at your glasses.
They're still fogged up. I am a soapy mess. Oh, my face feels worse. I feel so sticky. This is supposed to make me feel clean. This is terrible. This is a terrible idea.
I look great. I don't know about you.
I feel terrible.
I feel great.
I feel like somebody just shoved my face into a honeycomb. Alright, maybe we should rinse these off because I feel
Yeah.
so disgusting right now. I would just like to share that my face feels worse than it did before.
I feel pretty good.
Shut up.
I do.
I couldn't see anything. My face and my hands still feel sticky.
My
So
face feels tight.
I would probably not going to do anything like that again. I also learned that I'm way better at spelling than you ever will be.
I wasn't trying.
Shut up.
Tea.
Well, do you have any last words, David? Alright, I guess that's it. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that freaking notification bell if I think it's going to be right here. And go subscribe to Purpose of DC.
That's me. Hello.
Henlo.
Hello.
Yeah.
Go subscribe.
Subscribe to him.
Subscribe
And
now.
subscribe to me. Subscribe
Just
to
leave.
us. Don't
Why?
leave.
Just
Stay.
go leave and go to my channel. Let's go subscribe. Let's do it. Let's just do it.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Anyway, but thank you for watching.
But let's just do it. Let's just go subscribe. Yes.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for all this, and that. And let us know if you liked it and give us any suggestions for any more Doing That Stuff episodes. Bye!